I'd like to let you know that you're one of 2 Distinguished University Professor recipients this year. The Distinguished University Professor is the highest honor that we award to faculty members here. As I said, only 2 out of all of our faculty this year, actually only 57 people to this point have received this designation from the university. It's a reflection of sustained and excellent contribution to teaching, to the scholarship of research and creative expression, to service to the university.
Really has been, despite all I ever say about you, a tremendous pleasure to work with Steve and to build on the great things that he is doing. The college is truly proud. Thanks.
Thank you, Dave.
Pleasure working with you, Steve. Thanks for all your efforts. Yes.
This is bizarre because I'm kind of speechless. I'm not used to that.
Make a note of this.
Right, everybody who knows me knows I wear that.
Make a note.
So, I'm so glad that Geneva's here. Thank you, honey. So, your patience is actually overwhelming with all that I do. And Matt, he was clearly deserving, is here as well. And I see Brett, so thank you. He was a student in this class, and no way does this happen with one person. This is like really quite a shared honor. So I think drinks will be on me soon.
Bravo. Not with the $30,000.
No. That's right. That would be not distinguished.
That's